Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese dip at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, shredded for easy melting. Also, have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour on hand. Don't forget your seasonings, like a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to taste. Now let's create the base for our delicious dip. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for about 1 minute, creating a smooth paste, which is called a roux. This step is crucial for achieving a creamy, lump-free texture for your cheese dip. Next, we'll incorporate the liquids and the star ingredient. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring often until it begins to thicken, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, then add your 8 ounces of shredded cheese, stirring gently until it's completely melted and smooth. Finally, it's time to perfect the flavor and serve. Season your cheese dip with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, like a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Taste and adjust as needed to achieve your desired flavor profile. Serve your warm, creamy cheese dip immediately with tortilla chips, pretzels, or fresh vegetables for a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.